everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I would like to go over how much YouTube paid me within the first 30 days of me being monetized. Now, when I mean by 30 days, I did get monetized like 1 week into the month. So this is going to be within a 3-week period, but I'm also going to go through my analytics with you guys and show you what worked for me and what may work for you as well if you're in the process of trying to get monetized and you're within the same niche as me. So let's go ahead and hop into desktop mode so I can go over those numbers with you.
All right, you guys, I'm in my YouTube studio, and within your YouTube studio, you can actually learn a lot from your audience, what they're liking, what they don't like. You can comment back, interact with your community, check your analytics, see what's working for you and seeing what's not. So right now I am at 8,022 subscribers as of today's date. And let's go ahead and go over to my analytics so I can show you what I made in the month of June. And so in the month of June, 84,000 people have watched my videos. I gained 6,000 watch hours and 2.6 thousand subscribers. And then if you hover over your graph, you can kind of see how many views you were getting per day and what video brought in those views, and the same as your watch hours. My watch hours really spiked, especially on the 25th, and it usually spikes mainly on the weekends. I have some times where it spikes on the weekdays as well. But if you're actually creating content, you should have some type of schedule to where you're either posting at least once a week. And if you're posting more than once a week, have one of those days be on the weekend because a lot of people are off work. So let's go into my audience here. This actually will tell you what your community is watching, what they like to see, and what they're engaging in right now currently. So if you go under popular with different audiences, if you go down to what your audiences watches, it will give you literally the actual link to what they have been watching. And 9 times out of 10, it's within your niche. So it's like 10,000 notebooks just arrived, sewing, small business vlogs, maybe some things about getting scammed, dealing with their small business, crafting ideas, things of that nature. It kind of gives you ideas that you can actually implement into your videos upcoming. Also, it gives you channels your audience watches, which is crazy because typically all the channels that my audience watches is people that I'm subscribed to as well, and I watch their journey. So it's like we're on the same page a little bit. Then also here you can actually see what will be the best time to actually post your videos. And I usually post my videos around 5 o'clock because across the board, that's when everybody is mostly on to YouTube. I probably post my reels around lunchtime, maybe 12 to 1, and then an actual long form video between 5 and 6 o'clock per day. I don't really have a set schedule on when I post my videos, but I'm trying to get into the routine of that. So I would try to at least post one video on the weekend between Friday and Saturday, for Saturday and Sunday, and then at least 2 on the weekday, maybe Tuesday and Thursday. And sometimes I only post twice a week, but it's up to you on, how often you would like to post, as long as you're posting something informational and something that people can retain to help them in their daily life. People go to YouTube, either it's entertainment or they're coming for a tutorial. People love how-tos, how to do something, how to make my life easier, how to go to Dollar Tree and organize my refrigerator. How do I use this device? How do I set up my computer? A lot of how-tos is what got me the watch hours. As you can see, my #1 video right here is how to make peel away notepads at home completely free. How to make die cut stickers, how to make bookmarks, how to make, they need to know how to do something because 9 times out of 10, they're trying to do it themselves or they're trying to implement it into their business plan. I'm going to go over to earn here. And once you get monetized, you should already have this stuff set up on how you get paid, which is linked to your Google AdSense account. Since I already went through those steps here, everything is set up correctly. I have a green setup complete and everything. Now, when you first get monetized, you have a lot of options up here between like watch page ads, short ads, memberships, super gifts, shopping, which you can link like your Shopify or Etsy store directly to each video so that if someone likes something within the video, they have the products listed under. So into Brand Connect, you can actually show you the value of your potential partners by clicking on this section that says View Media Kit, and it actually does it for you within your analytics. It gives them like, videos I've posted, what geographic location does my audience typically watch from, which is the United States, what's the age range, banks online. It lets me know the interest level, and all of mine is high or very high, audience share and everything of that nature. So this stuff right here is public record, so that if potential sponsors want to reach out to you, they can actually see these numbers and see if you're a good fit to sponsor their products and bring potential sales to that particular item. Okay. Also, up into your YouTube watch ads, you can go to see analytics, and you can actually see how much you're being paid per ad. So right down here, I'm being paid $24.09 per 1,000 CPMs, which is from the advertisers. And then there is another, which is your RPM. And then if you go back over to your analytics and click on revenue at the top, it's actually going to show you your RPM right here is how much you're getting paid per 1,000 watch views. Okay, so the numbers are completely different. Do you see this is $11? The other one said $24. So how you know how many ads are actually being implemented into your videos is, let me just go to a video here. For example, I'm gonna go to one of my content. Any video that's less than 8 minutes, ads will not be implemented into those videos. That's just their policy. Anything over 8 minutes, you'll be able to add advertisements within those videos. And I'll give you some examples here. So I'm going to click on a 5-minute video, and I'm going to go to monetize. Right here, it says only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for mid-roll ads during the video. But then if I go back and I choose a video, let's go to this one right here, and I go to monetize. This section is not grayed out. You can actually click on it, and it shows you where the ads are being put inside of your video. The longer the ads, the longer the video, the more ads is implemented. Now you can remove these and move these around if you would like, but the more little slots that you have here, the more you're getting paid, the more ads. To think about it this way, the more ads on your video, the better, the longer. That's why we like to do long form content, because we get paid more. So let me exit out here. Also keep in mind of copyright. So that's why I don't use a lot of music in my videos, because I'm not sure what's copywritten and what's not. Some people really do enjoy just not hearing the music, so I just been kind of implementing that into my content every time. So let's go ahead and go over the numbers that I received for the month of June. So I was paid $480 in the month of June. So I was monetized on June 5th right here, because before there was nothing here, nothing but zeros. But the first couple of days I was getting nothing but like $4, anything under $10, small numbers starting off. I wasn't getting a lot of things. And then next thing you know, it started going up to 20s, 30s, 50s, 60s, 20s, 50s, and things of that nature. So even till today's date, like if I change to July, because July just ended, I'm not getting paid less than $10. Everything is over at least $10, $20, $14 a day, $20 a day. So I'm like averaging $20 to $30 per day for 30 days straight. So what I'm realizing is that what works for me and works for my channel is really going into depth when it comes to my tutorials, really explaining things to people that really don't understand, and just, they're new to this crafting world, new to Cricut, new to Canva, new to just this entirety. And they just want some clarity on how to do something. And a lot of videos, like I said, that I've watched, they do good. Don't get me wrong. I have ran across a lot of great tutorials, but they don't go too in depth with it, if you know what I'm saying. If you're like a subscriber of mine, you understand I go through, I'm talking about A through Z. I don't skip any step. And if I do skip a step, of course, you guys will let me know in the comment section below. If something, if you have a question about something, or maybe I skipped something, I don't mind answering. And I engage with you guys. I literally answer every question either on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any social media platform. I engage with my audience. That keeps my subscribers here, that keeps my subscribers watching, that keeps my numbers going up. They also like authenticity. How genuine are you? Are you really trying to help them? Are you trying to get a book? Are you trying to sell an ebook at the end of the video just to get the rest of the content? Like, how are you as a person? When people can relate to you personally, they're going to stick with you throughout your journey. Like, a lot of people can relate to how many children I have, or just starting your business with nothing, starting business with limited funds, or just trying to stay motivated within this whole entire process, because I try to evolve my content like around like motivation, goals, keep going, do it. You can do it, things of that nature. So people can kind of resonate with that. So if people can resonate with you on a personal level, they're going to resonate with you on a business level. If you put your heart into something, there's no way to go but up. People are going to see the effort you put into your content. It literally sometimes takes me a whole day to record one video, from recording to setup, editing to uploading to creating a thumbnail. All of these things that I implement into actually creating one video is what gets me the views. I take my time and I provide content that people actually want to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you found it very helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not already. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions, because I'm going to respond.